Yeah.
Relax. Marmalade can't control him if he doesn't have the meteorite.
So, who's driving those trucks?
The meteorite.
It's still transmitting. Uh-oh. The charity money. Change of plan, guys. Webbs, is there some way to override the truck's navigation system?
We'd need some kind of magnetized cross-circuit interceptor.
You mean this?
Ooh, she just keeps getting cooler.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta split up. Webbs, you feel like a girl's trip?
Yes.
Later, boys.
Everything getting harder to find. Everybody jumping out of their mind. Everybody
I want to go on the girls' trip.
to the end of the world begin, you feel it? Mannequins and we're breaking the mold. Breaking out and we breaking the codes. Similar to the jack who stole to the depths in your web, so you take explosive, get it out. Send your body to flight. Everybody got a target tonight. Everybody come along for the ride. All you studs and your duds and your ladies is fly.
You insured, right?
Yeah, why?
Hey,
That's my car!
It's ceviche, baby!
no time to rest. Just do your best. What you hear is not. We're only here to make it. We're only here to make you. We're only here to make you go.
So long, suckers!
Go. Whoopee. Go. Go.
Where'd you learn to do that?
Well, kind of a natural. Mostly YouTube.
Nice work.
Meet me at the police station. Don't be late.
What do you say we deliver this butt rock to the chief?
Just do your best. What you hear is not success.
No! That's my stolen money! What good are you if you can't even anticipate their next move?
Oh, so it's my fault?
Here to make you. We're only here to make you go.